Hey guys, OT Sports Cards here with 12-13 Crusade Basketball Box Break number 1. I apologize for the late break. Usually I try and do it the night of, but didn't have enough time to get to it yesterday. Okay, so I'll show you the last team. Washington Wizards ended June 23rd, 2013. Show you guys the serial number. NB328317378. Show you guys the number on the box. NB328317378. Okay, let's bust. Oh, and I will ship out all the base rookies. So if I miss it while I'm flipping through the cards, just let me know in the description, or I'll figure it out after the break. I know that there's rookies in the base set. Kobe pack. Okay, we'll start off with the Kobe pack. I'll ship all the Kobe base, so whoever got the Lakers. Unless we hit an auto. Base, 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 base. More Kobe base. Okay, first pack. See, we've got Dwight Howard, Night Court for the Lakers. Fab Melo, regular Crusade, not numbered, for the Celtics. Got an Evan Fournier Quest jersey for the Nuggets. Nick Young base. I know Nick Young's not a rookie. See, Carmelo base, Jeremy Lin base, Joe Dumars, regular Crusade for the Detroit Pistons. See, decent auto, Reggie Jackson Quest auto for the Thunder. Decoy, Brook Lopez base. See, Drew Holiday, Chandler Parsons. I know he's a rookie, so that will be shipped out. See, we got Will Barton, regular Crusade for the Portland Trail Blazers. See, we got a Gerald Wallace Majestic jersey for the Brooklyn Nets. And Serge Ibaka base. Okay, Jose Calderon base. Steve Nash base. Ersan Ilyasova Red Crusade. That's numbered out of 99 for the Bucks. Got a redemption. Quest autographs John Lure. I'm not sure which team he plays for. It might be Memphis. I know he got traded mid-season, so I'll just double-check that on the Panini website. Decoy, Anthony Davis, base rookie for the Hornets. Okay, Marcin Gortat base. Kemba Walker, I think that's a rookie for the Bobcats. Maybe not. See, Lavoy Allen, Crusade for the 76ers. Jeff Hornacek, majestic jersey for the Jazz. And Kirilenko base. Okay, last pack. Okay, we got Jordan Crawford base, Chris Bosh base. Ooh, gold. It's a gold Crusade. Ooh, this is a nice hit. For the Golden State Warriors, Harrison Barnes Gold Crusade. That's numbered 10 out of 10. The Golden State Warriors. It's a nice hit. Got Kevin Jones Quest Auto for the Cavaliers. Decoy and Ty Lawson base. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.